kinakabahan ako ngayon, alam mo, kasi dati kasi, nung kinasal kami before, bata pa talaga ako, as in, wala talaga akong muang. Mas excited ako ngayon kaysa before.
Jonathan and Richelle, today, as you celebrate this 25 years, on behalf of all of us who are here, we want to thank you for the example that you have set before the church and before all of us. To stay together for 25 years, Jonathan, do you reaffirm your married love and fidelity to Richelle before God and this community?
Yes, I do.
Richelle, do you reaffirm your married love and fidelity to Jonathan before God and this community?
Yes, I do. Sa 25 years natin, syempre napaka-thankful ko kasi alam mo, nung kahit bata pa ako nag-asawa, kasi talagang inano ko na talaga sa isip ko na ito'y mapapangasawa ko kasi nakita ko sa kanya, siya yung hinahanap ko sa isang lalaki na ang ano ko lang talaga is lang, kailangan is mabait. Doon lang talaga ako nakapokus sa mabait at nakita ko sa kanya yun at thankful ako na hanggang ngayon, super bait naman talaga. Yun.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung ano nila, yung saya nila na maging natural palagi, walang magkaroon ng problema, agad-agaran matatapos. Stay strong.
Lord God, whose name is love, once you made our way, meet and call us to build a home and family.
We look back with gratitude on the years you have given us together. Help us to avoid the mistakes of the past
And sustain our love with your love, that in ever-growing unity of heart and soul.
Nilolook forward ko na sana umabot pa tayo sa 50 years yan. Oo, kasi alam ko naman kayang-kaya natin yon. Kasi alam mo naman, lagi mo lang tatandaan na kailangan dapat ako laging nasusunod.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said that I bet they'll never make it.
Richelle, ito na tayo ngayon. 25 years na tayo ngayon. Napakabilis lumipas ng panahon. Salamat sa mga pag-aalaga mo sa amin, sa ating 4 na anak. Sana umabot tayo dun sa 50 years.
You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream.
Simula nung nakilala ko si Jonathan, up to now, na 25 years na kami, parang hindi ko nga namalaya na 25 na pala. Kasi as in, simula nung kinasal kami hanggang ngayon, parang same pa rin. Kaya hindi ko mamamalaya na kung nag-matured na ba kami or ano, kasi yung love namin is nandun pa rin.
Look at what we would be missing. They say that I bet they'll never make it, but just look at
Alam mo, hindi ako si Piolo Pascual. Ako lang ito. Mula nung nakilala kita, mula nung kinasal tayong dalawa. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, mamatay man at mabuhay ako, ikaw pa rin ang laman ng puso ko.
you're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that
ko sa asawa ko, ayun, na sana ay wag pa rin magbabago, alam mo na. Kaya talaga ikaw yung pinili ko kasi alam mo namang mahal na mahal kita. Ayun, I love you.
You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. I'm so glad we made it.
We pledged ourselves anew to love and honor each other for better.
For worse, for richer, for poorer, and sickness, and health, till death do us part.
Why we are all here today, ladies and gentlemen, our newlywed Mr. and Mrs. Nuway!